from the oldest stars and shaping the birth of the planet. Used thousands of years later by humans. The copper. Hand in hand with this noble mineral, inspired by what our Mother Earth gives us, and moved by our conviction to innovate, we created the new Volcano Collection. With the texture of volcanic rock, it gives an original, unique touch to everything you knew. Handcrafted products in their maximum expression. Each piece is truly odd. The new Volcano Collection is designed to fit the most exquisite architectural styles and interiors, considering the most rigorous standards of quality production, thus giving the natural and original touch you expect. In addition, all our products are designed to last for a long time, since they are made of recycled copper of the highest quality. Volcano Collection is exclusive to The Artisano.